today is a toilet flusher.
And what does it look like?
My brother, Alec.
Oh, how did this idea come about?
Me.
So tell me, how did you come up with this idea?
Well, I thought about the toilet, and I thought about putting his head over here, but we couldn't do that. So I decided to do the flusher. And it works just like this. We stick up in the hood. We stick up here if you want.
Okay.
And then you can flush it.
And it works.
It's flush.
Want to show how it works?
Sure.
So if you pull the flusher out, what is in there? Pull up the flusher. So what does that stick to? Wait, I want to take the lid off? Okay, let's just look how it works. So I'll pull the lid off. Can you explain how it works?
So this pig pushes this down and it flushes.
How did this happen? How was this made?
Well, it was made by a 3D printer.
But how did you get out? Who's your brother? How did you get your brother's head on it?
Well, we scanned him.
And then?
And then we put on the 3D printer to print it out.
But what program did you use to modify the scan?
Tinkercad.
Oh, and then you printed it out.
Yeah.
And now what do you have here?
And then we made a circular thing, and we only use one peg here.
Okay.
Because it's better to get in.
And you trust your brother.
Now my head will be in the other rack.
Okay, we'll do that one next. Bye-bye.